Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how we can set up screensaver. So at the first we have to open notification panel, slide to the right side, go for the preferences. Next we have to go for the display options. When we are here, we can set up screensaver for the rear and the front screen. So for this one and also for this one. For the rear I'm going to set never. And then the same for the front. We can also set up to match front with the rear, but I'm going to set up manually on the both to never turn them off. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.